Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial, how to create motion dust behind a jumping athlete. We'll make a motion dust explosion behind a jumping athlete. Cut out your subject and place on a new layer. Then duplicate the layer and add a motion blur for speed. Now add a dust particles brushes behind the subject. Change their color using hue and saturations. Use the smudge tool to stretch some particles backward. It creates a dynamic sense of impact. Now add a soft shadow under the athlete for realism. Use blending modes like overlay or screen for glow dust. Adjust opacity to control balance.